Everyone, my name is Malaika Shahar and I am from BH Chemistry. Today I will be presenting on a topic that combines chemistry with product safety, ensuring the footwear safety, pH testing of upper and lining material. This topic is important because footwear directly touches our skin, and if the material are not properly tested, they can cause irritation or even serious allergic reaction. Let's explore how pH testing plays a key role or important role in keeping footwear safe and comfortable. Understanding footwear pH and chemistry and theory. Let's begin with basics. pH is a measure of hydrogen ion concentration ranging from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, less than 7 is acidic, and greater than 7 is alkaline. Footwear material go through processes like tanning, dyeing, or gluing, all of which can leave acidic or basic residues. If the final product has a pH that's too low or too high, typically outside the range of 3.5 to 7.0, it may harm the skin. For example, prolonged contact with acidic lining might lead to rashes, while high alkalinity can cause a dryness or itchiness. We can also show a pH scale chart here to visually explain the acidic, neutral, or alkaline solutions. pH practical testing. Material required. Now let's look at what we need for pH testing. A small shoes material sample, about 1 gram from the upper lining or insole, 50 ml of distilled water, a pH meter or pH paper, and label items like beaker, thermometer, glass rod, and filter paper. The distilled water is important because it does not interfere with the chemical balance, allowing for an accurate extraction of soluble substances from the material. Step by step sample preparation. Sample preparation is a crucial step. First, cut about 1 gram of footwear material into small, even pieces. This increases the surface area so more chemicals can be released into the water. Then use a balance to precisely weight and record the sample. Even a slight difference in weight could affect the accuracy of your result or test. Extraction and filtration processes. Next is the extraction process. Pour 50 ml of distilled water into clean beaker and maintain it at a room temperature around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Add the cut sample to the water and stir gently. Then let it set undisturbed for about 2 hours. This allows soluble ions to migrate from the sample into the water. After that, filter that mixture using filter paper. The goal is to get a clear extract with no solid, which will give us a more accurate pH readings. pH measurements. Now come the main testing sample. Use a calibrated pH meter to measure the pH of the extract. Calibration is essential to ensure the accuracy. Alternatively, you can use pH indicators paper for a quick visual reading, although this method is less precise. Remember, the ideal range is between 3.5 and 7.0. Anything outside this range could pose a safety risk, especially for the people with sensitive skin. Applications and benefits. So, why is this test important? First, it ensures the quality of footwear by verifying that material are skin safe. Second, it helps companies comply with health and safety standards like ISO 4045 and REACH. Third, It protects consumers from irritation and allergic reactions. And finally, it helps brands achieve eco-label certification like tags, showing they follow sustainable practices. All of these contribute to produce a better and safer product for the market. Future recommendation and conclusion. Looking ahead, there is a lot of potential to improve this product or process. We could integrate mini pH sensors for faster real time testing. Second, develop a predictive models to estimate final product pH earlier in production. Tailor testing methods for bioleathers and other sustainable materials. It's also essential to combine the pH testing with other methods like color fastness or heavy metal tests to get a full picture of safety. This is especially important for children footwear which deserve a strict regulation. In conclusion, pH testing is simple yet powerful method that plays a vital role in ensuring footwear safety, protecting consumers and promoting the responsible manufacturing. It brings us to end the main content and peeing the pH strips and shoe sample to demonstrate. Use the color coded pH chart during your explanation. And also, we can set the examples for skin reactions from unsafe footwear if approachable. Thank you for your attention.